Do you want to make this super trendy strawberry matcha album? Today I'm gonna show you how to make it in two different ways. One super simple and a more legit but tastier. So keep watching! Hi there, I'm Kitty, your matcha crazy friend and the certified tea sommelier. Welcome to my cozy little matcha cafe. If you enjoy videos on how to make delicious food and drink, make sure you poke that like button. That shows me to make more similar videos for you. So go ahead and poke that like button. The strawberry matcha has been really popular nowadays, and we get dozens of orders at our cafe every single day. But there's something about making a beautiful and delicious strawberry matcha latte right in your kitchen. You can choose your own ingredients, you can adjust the sweetness to your liking, and you can save money. And it is quicker and easier than you think. So let's jump right in. Step number 1. If you want to have a good matcha drink, you need the right matcha powder. For the two types, ceremonial grade or culinary grade, go for the ceremonial grade, or that says first harvest. Although most Japanese ceremonial grade matcha are traditionally used for straight up matcha without adding sweetener and milk, there are some that are specifically blended for lattes. There's a wide variety in terms of color, texture, smell, and taste. You don't need to buy the most expensive matcha powder, but you do need to pay attention to the following points. Number 1, color. It should be vibrant, bright green color without any hue of yellow or brown. Number 2, texture. It should be super smooth without any sandiness. Number 3, smell. It should have a smell of vegetable, freshly cut grass, and oceanic, seaweedy. And the last one is the taste. High quality matcha has a variety of flavor profiles, but good indicators: naturally sweet, nutty, vegetative, and a little oceanic. Step number 2, make strawberry puree from scratch. If you want to make the tastiest strawberry matcha, I highly recommend it to make the strawberry puree from scratch. It may take longer time, but in my opinion, it's totally worth it. You will need fresh strawberries or frozen strawberries and a bit of sugar and natural sweetener. I recommend using fresh strawberries only if it's in season. Otherwise, frozen strawberries are a good choice because it's cost effective, it's quicker, and it has a consistency in sweetness. Step 1. Put frozen strawberries in a pot. Step 2. Add sugar, lemon juice, and a dash of salt. Heat up, stir until sugar melts and everything incorporates together. Pour everything into a blender. Pause a few seconds if you like more fruit pops. If you prefer a smoother puree, you can blend it for longer. Step 1. Make matcha concentrate. Start by sifting your matcha to ensure a smooth, lump-free drink. Step 2. Next, whisk the sifted matcha with just a little bit hot water until you have a smooth, frothy paste. This step is crucial for unlocking the matcha's full flavor. Just sifting and whisking your matcha. It will make a huge difference in creating a better iced matcha drink. If you're using a bamboo whisk, whisk in a W-shaped pattern. W as in whisk zigzag pattern with your wrist as fast as you can for 20 seconds. Now let's put it all together. Fill your glass with ice and add a generous amount of strawberry puree. Add sweetener to taste with honey or agave syrup. Pour in your milk or milk alternative. Finally, pour your matcha concentrate over the milk to get that beautiful gradient. And stir gently to combine before you drink it. If you found any value in this video so far, please go ahead and poke that like button and leave matcha in the comment section below. It truly helps me grow this channel so that I can make more similar videos for you. So go ahead, poke that like button and leave matcha below. For a quicker option, you can use strawberry jam instead of making the strawberry puree from scratch. For this option, it will save you a lot of time. Make matcha concentrate. Step 1. Start by sifting your matcha to ensure a smooth, lump-free drink. Step 2. Next, whisk the sifted matcha with just a little bit hot water until you have a smooth, frothy paste. This step is crucial for unlocking the matcha's full flavor. Just sifting and whisking your matcha, it will make a huge difference in creating a better iced matcha drink. If you're using a bamboo whisk, whisk in a W-shaped pattern. W as in whisk zigzag pattern with your wrist as fast as you can for 20 seconds. Step 3. Assemble your strawberry matcha. Fill your glass with ice jam and add a generous amount of strawberry jam. Add your choice of sweetener like honey or syrup. Pour in your milk or milk alternative. Finally, pour your matcha concentrate over the milk to get that beautiful gradient. And stir gently to combine before you drink it. And there you have it. Now you have your very own strawberry matcha latte made from scratch. It's super simple, delicious, and it's perfect for any time of the day. Making it at home will not only save you money, it will also give you control over what ingredients you use and how much sweetness going into your strawberry matcha, giving you a tastier and healthier result. Now I went through a lot of things in a short period of time, and it's hard for me to cover everything in detail. If you are serious about learning more on matcha history, the processing method, step by step of how to make matcha drinks and food, make sure you subscribe to my channel so I can make more similar videos for you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave comments in the comment section below. See you next time!